so sad, my people. Very sad story when I want to talk. So my people, me and since when I small when they talk this kind of thing, I would say maybe na joke. I would say I beg now one make person they fear. I don't know say they exist until this story come my book. My people, this story one I want to tell from Eastern land. Now this story they come from and Ukraine. I hope all of you know the country where they call Ukraine and Esan for Edo. Now there this story they come from. If you see our cute brother when we say we just lost, we lost with carelessness for Ukraine. Ha Nigeria. Everywhere na go. Everywhere na go. Wetin dey Ukraine? Wetin you want to study for Ukraine? Ukraine no dey speak English. Wetin you want go study for there when you want go take work for Nigeria? Instead of Ukraine, why you not just come abroad? As e be say the Ukraine river no dey like black. Say any black person when enter inside the water, you know they come outside. Why you go? My people, I go drop the boy picture later. Mona see this cute boy from Esan land wey be say Ukraine mami water just carry comot. As they tell narrate the story, and I know say me na Esan pikin na I be. Before they come bring this matter, come meet me, say make I talk about am so that people will be say they ready to go Ukraine. They go know if they reach Ukraine, they go know how to they put leg for ground. My people, that's why sometimes not be any video when you see, you say I beg you pass. Sometimes click on it so that you go know what thing they happen. In case you did that kind of place, you go know how you go to they manage yourself. Because since when me there abroad, me no even know say it get river for Ukraine where be say it not like anything black. Not be only Nigeria. As far as say you don't be black person, you enter inside that water. They say the mommy water will just go carry the person, go carry come out. The person no will come out again. Now see, this our Esan brother, he go Ukraine, make he go study for Ukraine. As he go that place, go study. And he no see anybody when be say, he tell am say, no go this beach oh. If you go this beach, the mommy water when dey that beach, he know they use eye till they see black. He no like black. No go, if you go, you no go come out again oh. Nobody tell am. And he can't go that place, he can't go back. When he can't go back now, the mommy water can't carry and come out. When our Nigeria people for there now come they cry, they shout, hey. Now there Ukraine people now come they tell them say, this water not they use that till they see black. It don't say when they exist for their country. Now wait till the water they forbid, now be that one. The water they forbid black, anything called black. This will not be saying only Nigeria. No, if you be Cameroon, you be Mali, you be black at all, black America, you don't carry that color black. They say that water, it will carry that person come out, you know, will come again. Why we can't they lost our hero like this? Because the thing they did me funny. What thing they Ukraine? Me and they see Ukraine for abroad here now. Then they call you cost sick for greener pasture for abroad here. And the one thing when me want to tell all these people when they say that they give visa to the place. At least you now still know much about that place now. You now still know much about that place than the person when they go there. At least you are supposed to they lecture them say, my brother, so they go this place for Ukraine, so you want go work or you want go school. I don't know the kind thing, I don't know the kind course when you want go study for Ukraine. When you want to say work, me I don't know. Because Ukraine people they for abroad here. They seek asylum like us. They seek for help like us. Most we travel everywhere. Most we dey everywhere. Nigeria most we dey everywhere. Yeah, they go measure this country. You go Nigeria go dey there. Country where be say me never go here for my life. They go measure am. Nigeria go dey there. Nigeria go dey there. They must dey that place. Imagine, see, Pikin when the whole Esan big bone. Now the river, the mommy water just carry come out. Mommy water no see Ukraine person carry. He cause say na foreigners now you want they suck. Which kind mommy water be that one? Because me I don't understand the kind mommy water will be that one we say you know like black. Not be God creates black. Now God now create black. And our brothers and our sisters will be so na day Ukraine. Now what did they do for land? Now they do for land. You cannot change it. They say na their culture, na their tradition. nobody can change it. But if una still dey country, una dey land, no be only money, 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 money. Try make you study that land where you dey. E dey important. My Nigeria adorable people, e dey important. Very, very important for anywhere where you reach. Because each country, they get the way when be say, they say they live. Like Nigeria, they get wetin we still dey forbid. You understand? And when we do that thing, the consequence go come. And mona still dey get on Nigeria, so be so na dey travel. Mona still dey get and say, as we get those kind of things to our land, all those kind of culture, tradition, other people, other country, they get am. They get am. Yes, they get am, my people. You understand? Because when you go that place, definitely you must try to find out this kind of land, how they take they move, how things take they flow. As a student, that will be the first step to take. Definitely, they will tell you, say, my brother, so beach like this. No go there, oh. No go. If you go, you know will come out again. They must enlighten you, they must let you know. But where all those things going to happen to we will be Nigeria. If we reach any country, we want be audio way of that country. We don't want know waiting the country talk. We don't even care to know. All we know to just achieve. But that one, he join that achievement he join. But first of all, try to study that land, waiting that land wants. Waiting they know they do. Waiting that they do. So that you not go find yourself for this kind of condition. When this our cute son, the son of face and land, he not come back again. He tell papa, tell mama for us. When he get admission, he celebrate, he happy. He tell papa, tell mama, he promise friends, I am going there for my course. Soon as I finish, I will come back home. Now, mommy water don't carry and come out. They don't even see the dead body. Mommy water you come out. Just carry come out. Crow for beach. My people, now when they go beach, sometimes mona they be careful. Like me, I they go beach. Now next month, now say I go beach. This thing when they all bring this story come my table, I say I know they go again. Fear don't enter my body. Because when that fear enter my body, since when they talk and say mommy water, I never use my 2 eye to see. Until they bring this story, come give me ho-ha. And the Ukraine people come confirm and say, yes, na their culture and their tradition. That water not like any color called black. Ukraine people, more than not they wear black shirt. Now, since una mommy water not like black, anything black. More than not they wear black t-shirt. Anything black, more than not they use them for Ukraine. More than not they use them for Ukraine. Since una they forbid any color called black. Una no need to they use them for that land. Because it's when they bomb me when me they post the waka. I never see all this. I never see this kind of thing, and I never even still hear am. When they bring the story, my some people call me say, my pikin, we see say you still they talk about things when they happen for this world. See what it happen to our son pikin. Chook mouth put. My people not make me chook mouth put. To still advise my children when they say they will want go Ukraine. What did they Ukraine now? What did they Ukraine my son people? Wetin dey Ukraine, you fit study for any place. If you no fit afford Canada, you no fit afford United Nations, you no fit afford London, you rest. You find another place where you go afford. No be Ukraine fair. Ukraine wey be say the water, definitely you must go beach for summer. Now no say Ukraine not to get hot, not to get cold. E get the way when their weather be. Anyway, the one wey me just dey after my people. Mommy water for inside water. Esan pikin, Nigeria pikin just enter inside. The mommy water just come, just carry am. Say bon alors va là-bas. Now they hear me so my people. I beg my fellow Nigerians. Be Esan, no be Esan. We all na Nigeria. Now one Nigeria. I beg any country where be say una go. Be abroad o. Be anywhere, I beg my people. Mona they try study the things, how that land, how that country they move. Mona try studying so that we still know the way. One until they pull our leg for ground. Now make many of our brothers, sisters, they abroad, they are prison for abroad today because they know they study waiting the law talk. They know they study waiting the law talk. Their own, they just say na tell Joshua to Ring Road. Anyhow, when you like, now you go take zoo. At the end, they'll go find themselves for Kirikiri. Number one, may we dey study land. Where any land where we dey, may we try, may we dey study am. More na beg my people, because we don't do the lost heroes for that country, Nigerians. More na see the one wey just happen for Idian and Freestyle, because say Nigeria citizens not pay house rent. Idian man kidnap am for good 8 months. They feed am with only water. When they bring that boy come out now, so it can't be like say na image. Now they hear me so. Now so it can't be like say na image. Before they rush and reach hospital, I don't give up a ghost. Another hero again. May we wise. Any land where we dey, may we know how to manage that land. May we dey do according to the law of that land, so that that land go give us milk and honey, no be sorrow. I go dey upload this guy pictures. Mona see pikin, young youth, very young. According to the story, they say na school na go there go do. Me, I don't know the school where they Ukraine, because Ukraine no dey speak English. Nigeria no dey speak Ukraine. How you come say use that certificate say work for Nigeria? My people, I still dey follow up the matter. I still dey follow up the issue. I still dey contact them. They let them know how they don how far, whether any improvement dey, and anything wey be say they come out for the matter, I go still dey update una my people, so that for our youth wey be say they will find visa when they will take go Ukraine, make them not go river for Ukraine, because Ukraine river, Ukraine beach, the Mami water, e no like black, e no wan use eye see black. My people, I will use this opportunity to appreciate una. I know what talk about them before, but the particular people when be say this thing evolve, they decided to say you be a son daughter, you have to tell people, so that in case of people when be say they want to apply for visa to Ukraine tomorrow, they will not say Ukraine beach no be where they go, because the Mami water na vampire. Now so I talk and reach my people. I will upload the guy picture now. Okay, may he so rest in perfect peace. Mami water already carry on go, they not see and bury. Mami water now, whether the boy himself na papa water, nobody know, now only God can know. So my old subscriber guys, may God in heaven bless you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon. I will always notify you of my upload. As you do so, may God bless you. See you all in my next video. Stay blessed, social distance. I love you guys. Bye.